So what we have here is a Honeywell 22mm zone valve or 2-port valve, whatever you want to call it. As we can see on the brass body, we have the arrow this direction showing the flow should be this direction. We turn it around to where the cable is and we can see over here is the little lever. So when it's over here like this, it's in auto, and when it's demanded on, it'll open like so. And then when there's no demand from a thermostat or such, it'll automatically spring return. To manually lock this open, we need to push it across and up until it locks into place. And then we can see it's manually open. To release this, simply push back over to the right and it'll spring return again. Now that I've just energized this zone valve up, we can see that this lever moves freely like so. When the demand stops or the power's been cut to it, this will spring return, and again it'll be difficult to move and not as freely as this. So if we're looking to change the zone valve head, first thing we need to do is kill the power supply to it. So make sure it's switched off or disconnected, whichever is the most convenient. Then push over so we get that lever locked in place. Grab your screwdriver, start undoing the top of the head. Move the top part of the zone valve. We will see down by here we have one screw, and up by here we have another. Start undoing these. These screws inside are captive, so they're not going to fall out anywhere. Once they're undone, you should just be able to pull the head off like that. Grab your new zone valve head, click it in place, pull the screws back up, put the top cover back on, screw back in, rewire, power back up, job done.